Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the fuse plugs on any iron or any block, even on the cylinder blocks, anywhere. First you're gonna need a screwdriver, a flat, or you're gonna need anything round. For today I'm gonna using this round. And what we're gonna do, see how it has the edge right in there. Oh, by the way, I already removed this one here. Got some holes on it. This happened because people uses only water, so that's why you need coolant, antifreeze. Even the 50% one works. So the way you're gonna work, you're gonna place this one right on the edge, which is right here. Put them in there, right on the edge. It's not on the bottom, it's right on the top, right on the eyebrow. If you can notice, I'm not in the bottom, I'm right on top, right there. And right there, you're gonna hammer it down till it flips. Let me see if I can find a tripod. Okay, we're set. So again, it's not on the bottom, it's right on top, right on the edge, right there. And we'll go ahead and we're gonna hammer it. As you can notice, I'm already pushing it down. Let me try to zoom in. You see how it's going halfway down? You keep going till the eyebrow goes down. There you go. Now when it's there, you pry it out going this way right here. Now there's your fuse plug. You can do the same way with any engine, any car, rotary, cylinder car. So this happened to be a rotary, the front iron plate. So that's how I remove the fuse plugs. Thank you for watching.